Hidden blackheads removal under skin deep extraction transformation. Some blackheads are easy to see, dark, visible, clear, but some stay hidden, beneath the surface, invisible to the eye, but still affecting your skin. In today's treatment, we are removing hidden blackheads from under the skin, and what we find might surprise you. What are hidden blackheads? Hidden blackheads are clogged pores that are not fully exposed to the surface. They stay trapped under a thin layer of skin. Because of this, they are harder to notice, but they still affect the skin by creating uneven texture, making skin look dull, causing roughness under light. Why they stay hidden? These blackheads don't fully open to the surface. This happens when pores are partially blocked, buildup stays trapped inside, skin layer covers the opening, so even if your skin looks clean, the problem is still there. Step 1. Skin preparation. We start with gentle cleansing to remove surface oil. Then steam is applied to soften the hidden buildup. This helps bring the blackheads closer to the surface. Step 2. Revealing hidden pores. As the skin softens, the hidden pores become more visible. Slight pressure reveals where the buildup is located. Step 3. Deep extraction. Main moment. Now the extraction begins. At first, nothing is visible. Then slowly, the hidden blackhead starts to appear. From beneath the skin, it rises and releases. This is what makes hidden extractions so satisfying. Step 4. Full removal. Care is taken to remove the entire buildup, because hidden blackheads often leave residue behind. Complete extraction ensures the pore is fully clean. Step 5. Skin recovery. After extraction, the skin is calmed. Soothing treatment reduces redness and supports healing. Final transformation. Before, smooth looking, but uneven texture. After, clear, refined, balanced skin. The difference is subtle, but powerful. Final message. Not everything on your skin is visible. Sometimes, the real problem stays hidden. Until you remove it, you don't see the full picture. If you enjoyed this hidden blackheads removal, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more deep pore cleaning, blackhead removal, and satisfying skincare transformations, stay connected.